Why, hello there. Welcome to Math. Today's special guest in Math is this bag of harina de maíz, cornmeal. Very excited to have this special guest today. It's rare that in these days of social distance we can have a guest, but here we have it. Yes, it's true. Harina de maíz. Why do I have this special guest with me today? It's because, look, on the bottom, what does it say? It says there's 80 ounces or 5 pounds. And then it gives you that's 2.27 kilograms. We haven't got to the kilograms yet. We're going to get to metric soon, but not yet. Next week. This week in math is all about measurements and converting measurements to convert something as we change something from one thing into another thing, which always involves multiplication or division, essentially. Let's look through what tonight's work is. Did I lose my page already? Oh, there it is. 825. Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Another special guest. We have this little lion cub. Oh, so cute. A newborn lion cub weighs about 5 pounds. Aw, how many ounces does the cub weigh? Here's the thing, in this section, I don't need any of you to remember 16 ounces in a pound. Do I know that? I guess I know that. It's okay to not know that. But anyway, so if you're trying to figure out how many ounces that baby lion cub is, you would multiply 5 times 16, and it'd be 80 ounces. When you're born, when you're a little baby, they say, "Oh, look at this! It's a little baby," and it weighs, like for example, I weighed 10 pounds and 10 ounces. I was a big baby. So yeah, how many ounces in total? No one would ever ask that. No one would say, "How many ounces was your baby?" It's like, why? They were 170 ounces. Um, Go figure. Math. Anyway, let's burn through this. Let's just burn through this section. I'm not, yeah. Key concepts on the bottom of the page tells you how much everything is. You got that piece of bread, that's 1 ounce. You got a tomato, that's a pound. That is a big tomato. A pound? That is that is apparently actual size, because compared to that buffalo, it's like tomatoes the size of a buffalo's head. And the buffalo weighs a ton. A ton is literally 2,000 pounds. But a ton, you can say, oh, I got a ton of work this weekend. That doesn't mean you have 2,000 pounds. It means you have a lot. That's what you need to know what a ton is. Ton also gets used in the word tonnage. How much tonnage of produce was made, how many pounds, how many giant amounts of pounds. The next page. Convert 56 pounds to 56 ounces to pounds. This one you're going to divide. So you would divide 56 by 16. What do you get? 56 divided by 16. 3 times 16 is 48. 56 minus 48 is 8. So it's be about 3.5 pounds. 3.5 pounds. It says it right there. Nice. Easy. Let's go. Let's just jump to number 4. I'm going to explain how you're going to do these. And then later, next one, I'll give you the answers. All of these, okay, number 4, 96 ounces equals how many pounds? Well, every pound has 16 ounces. So you're going to divide 96 by 16. Oh, I got the answer. You got the answer? 96 divided by 16? That was the easy one. That's easy. That's all that one is. Number 5, 7 tons equals how many pounds? Well, a ton is a buffalo, so it's equals 7 buffaloes. No, but it's asking pounds. A ton is 2,000 pounds, so 7 times 2,000. Pretty easy. Number 6, 1.5 tons equals how many pounds? Again, multiply 2,000 times 1.5, which 1.5 is 1.5, right? So 1 times 2,000, 2,000. add to it a half of 2,000. Half of 2,000 is exactly. Add those together. Number 7, 11,000 pounds equals how many tons? You can divide 11,000 by 2,000, which is the same as 11 divided by 2. Let me show you that one real quick. 11,000. Oh my god, so many zeros. 11,000 divided by 2,000. Boy, it's a lot of zeros. You know what we're going to do? We're going to get rid of all those zeros because get rid of 1 0, get rid of 2 0, get rid of 3 0. 11 divided by 2. Why is that? 200 divided by 20 is the same as 20 divided by 2. When you're dividing two numbers that have zeros, you can get rid of the zeros. 10 over 40. Simplify that. Get rid of the zeros. Bloop. 1/4. Bloop. Messy. And that's a 4. And not a 9. Alright, that didn't work. But, you know, I'm not going to edit this. Roll with the punches, baby. Roll with the punches. Number 8, 50 ounces equals how many pounds and ounces? So that one's going to have a remainder. Number 9, 1 1/4 pounds is how many ounces? Multiply 16 times 1 1/4. Again, the easy way to do that is multiply 1 times the 16, which is 16, and multiply 1/4 times 16, which is, oh yeah, it's pretty easy. And then add those two numbers together. Number 10, 7,000 pounds equals how many tons? 7,000 divided by 2,000, which of course is the same as 7 divided by 2. Number 11, 3/4 of a ton equals how many pounds? 3/4 times 2,000. Pretty easy. Compare, which one's bigger? Okay, when you're comparing in numbers 12 through 15, what you have to do is you have to make both sides the same measurement. You can't say what's bigger, 20 feet or 97 inches, because so you have to make them both the same. So in the first one, 7,500 pounds or 4 tons. Turn that tons into pounds. Then then you can just compare the numbers. Number 13, same thing. Half a ton. How many pounds is a half a ton? So they make the same. 14, 1,200 ounces and 72 pounds. You can either change those ounces to pounds by dividing by 16, or if you prefer multiplication, multiply 72 pounds times 16, and that will give you how many ounces. Because there are 16 ounces in every pound. If there are 72 pounds, 72 times 16 will tell me how many ounces there are. Boom, ba boom, ba be ba ba boom. Turn the page. Page 828. Mia, oh Mia, this one's for you. Aw, Mia combines the items in the table to make potting soil. Nice. Order the items according to weight from least to greatest. Well, you can compare the first two, 3 pounds and 2 pounds 9 ounces, because obviously 3 pounds is bigger. But the third one, 48 ounces, we don't really know. So convert 43 ounces into pounds would be my suggestion. 43 divided by 16 is, yeah, exactly 2. And then oh, okay, I got it. It's going to have a remainder. It's going to be pounds and ounces. How many 4-ounce bags of peanuts can be filled from a 5-pound bag of peanuts? Well, 5 pounds is how many ounces in total? It's going to be 5 times 16, because there's 16 ounces in a pound. 5 times 16 is, of course, easy. That number divided by 4 is going to give you how many little 4-ounce bags you got. 18. Alfonso mails a package that weighs 9 pounds. How many ounces is the package? 9 times 16 is your answer. Number 19. Use number sense. One puppy weighs 12 ounces. Another puppy weighs 5/8 of a pound. Honestly, no one will ever tell you, hey, how much does your puppy weigh? 5/8 of a pound. Which puppy weighs more? 5/8 of a pound is how many ounces? Multiply 5/8 times 16, and you will get how many ounces that is. Number 20. A baby weighs 8 pounds 10 ounces. If her weight doubles in 6 months, will she weigh more or less than 17 pounds? Okay, we're multiplying 8 pounds. Where's my whiteboard? We're multiplying 8 pounds 10 ounces. Oh, boy, my handwriting is just getting weird. 8 pounds 10 ounces times 2. I know, I'm such a mess this morning. 8 pounds, 12 ounces times 2. Here's what I would do. I would multiply the 8 times the 2. That's 16 pounds. How many ounces do I get? 2 times 10 is 20 ounces. 20 ounces is how many pounds? Divide 20 by 16. 16 goes in 20 once. How many you got left over? 4 ounces. Pounds. LB. LB is pounds. I wish I could tell you why. I think it has to do with Latin. But LB means pounds. Go figure. Just go figure. That's your homework. Just to go figure. Number 20. Building on the essential question. How can I apply converting customary units of weight in everyday life? Provide an example and show the unit conversion. Well, this is when I'd like to reintroduce my special guest. A bag of corn flour. You're at the store. You need to buy corn flour. You look at the bottom. Oh, what is it? It's, how many ounces is it? It is 80 ounces, which is 5 pounds. It's usually converted right there on the bag for you. So how can you use it in real life? You will at some point. Anyways, enjoy your math for today. Thank you.